Hi friends, have a good day. Welcome to Sri Karthikeya channel. Friends, this is Sudhir. Friends, today I am going to discuss about the Tron Magic, one of the cheapest cryptocurrency which is available in the market. Friends, actually, those who are into the field of this cryptocurrency, uh, nowadays they are being a very fraud sites and scams, fraudulent, whatever we say. Common that we are not able to get a good site in nowadays. So, friends, actually, I have been verifying, checking through a number of websites, and I have thought that we'll go around with a plan which is very cheap in cost and which is not more effective on our pockets. Uh, Friends, so before I have start my plan, I just request you, those who are to the first time to my site, means first time to my videos, please subscribe and share and like the video so that when whichever the video I will be going to do, you will be getting a notification. So friends, coming to the plan, this is Tron Magic. Tron Magic is a first we will see what is the Tron Magic. Tron Magic is an ROI plan that is 100% transparent, fair to everyone. Contract will run forever on Tron blockchain. You know, guys, this run it means the plan is running on the Tron blockchain. After you deposit, you can start withdraw every day. Each day you can withdraw 50% of the wallet balance and remaining 50% goes to reinvestment. So guys, I just think that it's a very good plan. Why? Because with when we are investing some amount, they are making the withdraw, and where they take 50% again in investment. So it cannot be like once if it is done and it is closed. So it as it is in a blockchain, it's go on in reinvesting and it's making a good amount for us. uh, so for each deposit, contract gives 20% of referral on level 1. Guys, this is a very good plan. We are getting 20% of referral on level 1 and then 4% on level 2 and 1% on level 3 and level 4 and level 5 income. Referral commission is transferred directly to a referral account. This is a very good plan, where we are getting a good referral income in level 1. uh, Next, coming to Tron Magic benefits, it's a guaranteed profit. Yes, actually, guys, I can just support for this company because I have been doing with this since 10 days and I don't have any issues regarding this. They are giving a prompt, what we say, instant deposits and withdrawals. Withdrawals might be being taking some time. Depending upon the time with the UK and us, it's taking up to 3 to 4 hours of the time. It's that they have taken it's an instant withdrawal, but for sometimes it is up to the instant, and sometimes it is taking up to the some 3 to 4 hours of time. So let me check. Get your payment instantly as soon as you request. Maximum withdrawal is 50% of valid balance. There is a no fee for withdrawal. Friends, this is, I think this is one of the old PDF. Now they have changed it. They have changed it to 20% of the main active investment for withdrawal from tomorrow. That is from 19th. Uh, so the best investment plan of 2020, you can earn up to 300% daily, monthly. Friends, I support this because daily when we are getting up to 10%, then 10% goes for 30 days, then it's up to 300% of the monthly income. Friends, if we say just roughly, uh, the investment what we are putting in this plan, we'll get the investment up to our investment back by 10 days itself. Before 10 days only we're going to get the amount without any referral income. If you are going to refer the people, then which I can feel, and I can tell that minimum investment is 50 trons and maximum investment is what 1 lakh trons. What is the amazing 5 level referral commission? 20% on one level, which I have already explained. 4% on level 2, 1% on level 3 and level 5. So uh, Tron Magic says thank you, and the PDF is closed. So friends, before going to close this, I want to share my dashboard to you. Why? Because in this dashboard you can see what I have earned and what I have deposited, and what is my referrals. So friends, before going to this, one thing I want to tell you, this online business and my online doing, we don't take any responsibility for that. We are just communicating the plan to the people and making aware of what is what. So for this, my channel or nor I am responsible for that. This is the only the general shoot what we are doing, and we are going to explain, and we are going to show the proofs if anything is available with us. So if you are interested, you can check, and on your own self you can plan this income in this platform. So coming to my account, I will show you some of the detailing of the account. Yeah, friends, this is Tron Magic, and this is the interface. Okay, in this interface you can find here home. uh, this is the home page. I shared my referral link, and I shared my WhatsApp number. Before logging or before investing the Tron, once please make a call and confirm with me. I'll say some general instructions for the depositing of the Tron. Okay friends, so this is the interface. uh, and it's a brand new Tron mining platform. It's an Tron mining platform. Here you can see this. uh, Let me, yeah. uh, yeah, the total or about 1 crore and 73 lakhs, 7 lakhs 34,000 members, total deposit Tron. Actually I have joined when the total members are 35,000, and it's the total member has increased to 47,000. And the total payment what we had did by this company is 74 lakhs 34,000 trons. Sorry for the video. um, and the best investment plan of the year, which I have already told, this is 10% of the ROI. These are all the things. Yeah, how it works: sign up, log in, deposit trons, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and then refresh account, invest from wallet. Okay, it's the Tron Magic benefits. It's DDoS protection, professional team, SSL security, smart trading, guaranteed deposit, great customer support. When coming to this customer support, friends, actually I want to tell you one thing. You can see in contact there is a mail ID. If you have any issues regarding withdrawals or deposits, you can just mail your username and everything, so that they will clear the issue. It's a it's just a mailing. It's a very good help from them. They are very on time. So this is what in the I have shown you. I have explained the plan itself. In contact, yeah, what I have told is this. In contact you can find this support 247 tronmagic.live. You can make details to this, so that they will clear the issue. So guys, once I log into my account, this is the Tron Magic certification which they have produced in the site. So first we are checking in. See, free friends, whatever the news is available, whatever the important news available by this company, they'll post in the newsletter itself. When you open the site, when you just make a login, you can find this here. The thing is, what they is the if any information is there, they will just put the information here. Dear family members, we always respect our valued members suggestions and requests according to your mass emails, and we have decided to increase the daily withdrawal limit. So for today itself, the withdrawal limit is up to 10% from tomorrow, that is October 19th. Your withdrawal limit will be increased to 20% of your deposited Tron from Monday onwards. So it's a good news for all. So guys, as I told you, I want to show you my uh, dashboard. See, it's this is the dashboard. What I have deposited is 100 trons. First, let us check when I have joined. I have joined on 10th. So I think this is the 8th day. On 10th, sorry, not 10th, on 11th. On 11th means it's my week. I have deposited 100 trons, and I have made many investments through that, by the RO income and level income, referral incomes. Now, after 7 days of my joining, my active investment is 334 trons, and withdrawal wallet balance is 184 trons. Actually, I have thinking to uh, make a withdrawal video for tomorrow. I'll make a withdrawal for tomorrow, and I will show you how to how that withdraw is also working. So this is my dashboard, friends. So I think you all have better understood this plan, and if you have any issues regarding this, means regarding any doubts or any clarifications, you can please WhatsApp me. Keep my WhatsApp number there, and the joining link. Whoever interested, please you can make a WhatsApp message to me, and you can join in the uh, it is a good mining platform. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.